In just 30 minutes, you can plate up these flavoursome chicken and caramelised onion stuffed sweet potatoes. They're a filling, no-fuss meal. Start by prepping the sweet potato. Use a fork to prick the sweet potatoes all over. Then place on a microwave-safe plate and cook in the microwave on high, turning occasionally until tender. Set aside for 5 minutes to cool slightly. Once cool enough to handle, cut a slit lengthways in the top of each potato and squeeze the base to open. Scoop out the centre of the sweet potato, leaving a 2 cm shell, placing the flesh in a large bowl. Add the chicken, onion relish and some of the cheese to the bowl with the sweet potato flesh and stir to combine. Next, fill the sweet potato shells with the chicken mixture and place on a baking tray. Sprinkle with more cheese and pop in a 200 degrees Celsius preheat oven. Bake until the cheese melts and is golden. Serve the sweet potatoes topped with some rocket leaves and season with pepper. Cutting the cooking time in half by par-cooking the potatoes in the microwave makes these chicken and caramelised onion stuffed sweet potatoes great for a weeknight meal.